Surendra, Technical Advisor for Tropical Landscape and Agricultural Services. So I am a specialized horticulturist. Today I am discussing with the banana, Musa paradisiaca, Musaceae family. See, you can see here, there is a dry leaf. So it is one of the major threat for that, the attacking to the number of pests. So you have to may have to remove it. And at the same time, the suckers. So you have to leave the suckers. You have to completely eradicate the suckers until to get as a bunch. Once the bunch emerges, you can allow the suckers. So what kind of suckers you can allow? So you can see here there are two kind of suckers are there here. One is that broadleaf. I'll show you somewhere. This is a narrow, sickle shaped. This is the best for that bunch emergence, early bearing. So you can select this one. The third operation is earthing up operation. So always you have to earth up. It is a supporting to heavy winds, and at the same time it is the availability of the nutrient is plenty. So time to time you have to do it. One more interculture operations is there. I'll show you that. It's called as mattaking. So you have to cut that stem. Once you have harvested the bunch, you have to cut it half 3/4 of the portion, so that nutrient will be translocated, will reach to that bunch. The fruit size quality will be doubled. So please follow it and follow it. Thank you.